all the CEOs that I have chatted with tell me that they could easily have done the job 2 to 5 years before they got the job. So they clearly felt that they were future ready. How does one do this? A very simple mechanism which I would suggest to you is to talk to at least 2 people outside of your industry, working in some other industry almost every month. If there are good ideas in some other industry and they are really good ideas, they will come to your industry sooner than later. Second is the ability to reflect. I think being future ready is about having that reflective ability to say, hey, what's going well, what's not going well, and how do I handle it? I think that's extremely important. Next, for yourself, have a set of do's and don'ts. I think that's also extremely important to be future ready. What will you do and what you will not do so that people give you the big jobs. And finally, as and when we get promoted because we have a bundle of strengths and we have some areas where we can improve on. The thing I would suggest to you is that never let your strength become a weakness or a derailer.